Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome not responding problem. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your browser should be working again. First, right-click on the Start icon and select Settings. In Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Chrome. You'll see Google Chrome appear in the list. Click on the three dots next to it, then choose Modify or Repair, if available. Follow the prompts, and Chrome will reinstall itself without affecting your data. If repairing doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reset Chrome. Open Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. Scroll down to Reset Settings, then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset. This won't remove your bookmarks or passwords. It only resets extensions and preferences. If Chrome still isn't responding, check your system for corrupted files. Click on the search bar, type CMD, then select Run as administrator. Click Yes for permission, and make sure it says Administrator, Command Prompt. Now type this command, sfc/scano. Press Enter. This will scan your system and automatically fix any corrupted files. When the scan is done, restart your computer. That's it. After these steps, Google Chrome should be running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop a comment to let me know it worked for you.